In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create music playlist on Telegram. By the end, you'll have a clean single playlist bubble you can play straight inside Telegram. Perfect for personal listening or sharing with a small, private audience. First, open the Telegram app and make sure you are on a stable internet connection, especially if you are sending a lot of tracks. For a private, personal playlist, your saved messages chat is ideal because only you can see it and it syncs across your devices. You can also use a private channel or a private group if you want to share the playlist with select people. Just be mindful of what you share and only use audio you have the right to distribute. Inside your chosen chat, look for the paperclip or attachment icon near the message field and tap it. From the attachment options, select Documents. This is important. Sending as documents preserves the original audio quality and file names, and it's what triggers Telegram to bundle your selections into a single playable playlist bubble. If you don't see documents right away, swipe through or expand the attachment panel to find it. Now, browse your device's storage and select multiple audio files. Most common formats like MP3 and M4A work well. A quick tip on ordering. Telegram typically respects the order you select or the file names, so if you want album order, keep track numbers at the start of each file name. Like 1, 2, 3. On many devices you can long press the first track to enter multi-select mode, then tap the rest. Take a moment to confirm you've selected everything you want before sending. When you are ready, tap Send. Depending on file sizes and your connection, uploads may take a moment. Once they're delivered, Telegram will automatically bundle the tracks into a single message with a playlist-style bubble. Tap that bubble to see all the songs together with titles and durations. And start playing. You'll get Telegram's built-in audio controls so you can play, pause, skip, and keep listening while you browse other chats. If you plan to listen offline later, you can download tracks from the same bubble so they're ready without using mobile data. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.